Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. I'm a registered acupuncturist and a yoga teacher. I like to combine both of those modalities to provide you with some helpful tips. So in today's practice, we're going to be working on holiday eating and digestion. I'm not sure if this is what's going on with you, but for me, I haven't been eating so great. My schedule's been a little bit off. And I want to share some tips and some moves that's going to help you to ease that digestion, allow you for better regularity, and then overall, maybe everything in this area is going to be a little bit more comfortable. Okay, so this is a chair yoga practice. Please find yourself in a nice, comfortable seated position on a nice firm chair. Feet are hip-width distance apart. Your shoulders are stacked on top of the waist. We're going to go ahead and start right now. Take your arms all the way up for a big stretch. Inhaling, lifting, and exhaling, hands to the heart. Again, breathing in, nice tall spine, breathing in. Exhale, hands to the heart. One more time, breathing in, arms up, and exhale, hands to the heart. So we're going to go for a twist here. Breathe in, and then exhale, twist. So I'm twisting to the right. As I twist to the right, I'm engaging my belly muscles. Come back to center, release it a little bit. Inhale, and then exhale, crunch and twist, keeping that nice tall spine. Inhale, back to center, relax a little, so relax this space, and then exhale, crunch, 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 and twist. Inhaling back to center, exhale, twist, sitting nice and tall. Inhale, exhale, twist. Good, back to center, breathe in, and exhale, twist. Okay, let's take the arms out and expand. Breathe in, and then exhale, twist palms together. And emphasizes the twist. Breathing in, expanding, exhale, twist, crunch, crunch. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhaling, exhale, twisting. Again, breathing in, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Great. Come on back to center. Arms come all the way up. Breathe in. Exhale, hands to the heart. One more time. Breathing in. And exhale, hands to the heart. Let's lower the hands down and roll the shoulders out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other way. 5, 4, keep on breathing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Go ahead and take your fingertips on top of the shoulders. Nothing grippy, so no tension on the wrists or the fingers, but just placing them right on top of the shoulders. Make sure shoulders are stacked on top of the waist, okay? Let's go ahead and take one elbow up and back. Up and back. See what's happening? Up and back. Breathing up and back. Do you see what's happening now? We're kind of twisting a little, moving the waist, allowing our digestive juices to work and the body to start to move in a twisty fashion, which helps this space. Breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. Last one, in and out. Let's bring both elbows up, draw the belly in, lift, 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 and then release. Breathe out. Well done. We're gonna go ahead now and take the arms all the way up. I'd like you to touch your fingertips up to the top. Bring your hands down to the sides of the body. Breathe in here, nice tall spine. Lift up, nice little chest opener, heart opener here. Breathe in here. And then as you exhale, take the hands, the heel of your hands, press down on the sides of your legs firmly. Good. Now, tight belly, take your hands on the inside of the legs, come on up, and release. Okay, again, breathing in, touch, breathing out, chest open, breathe in, and then exhale, press down on the outside of the legs, and then inhale, press on the inside of the legs. We're stimulating the stomach and the spleen meridians of our channels, okay? Breathe in, arms up, breathing out, inhale, exhaling, tight belly, inhale, come on up, and then roll the shoulders back. Let's do one more. Inhale, arms up, touch, breathing out, in, chest up, exhale, press, 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 crunching into our abdominal space, tight belly here, press up, pressing on the inside of the legs, and release. Well done. Go ahead and rub into our outer hips here. This is our gallbladder channel, part of the gallbladder channel, the meridian. We're stimulating this part of the body. It's going to also help into digesting into those nice little fats when we're eating more fatty foods. And let's go ahead and press all the way down again, just below the knee here. Rub, rub, rub. So as we're in this more challenging pose, I want you to engage your belly and you're pressing just below the knee here on the outside of your shin, rubbing here, gallbladder 34, and then release, whoo, all the way down. Inhale, press up, press on the inside of the legs, and release. Rub again to this beautiful outer hip area. Okay, breathe in, and then exhale, come all the way down, engaging your belly muscles for support as we're in this kind of flat back, pressing on the sides of our, underneath the kneecap. Good, and down, breathe out. Tight belly, press all the way up, inhale, and exhale, release. We're gonna do that one more time. You got it, rub, okay? Pressing into this gallbladder meridian here, outer hips, and then we're gonna breathe in and then press all the way down just below the knee. We're pressing the outer side here. Gallbladder 34 points, the command point of all muscles and sinews, and then release, breathe out. Now inhale, press all the way up on that spleen and liver channel, and then release. Whew. I want you to shake out the arms, breathe. Take your hands to the chair and shake out the legs. Give your legs a good shakety shake, shakety shake. Great. Now from here, go ahead and take the right knee up to the chest, cross into that figure 4. Awesome. Now we're opening up the hip a little bit more. Breathing in here, we're gonna hinge at the waist. When you feel something in that hip, I want you to round the upper back and mount. Breathing for 3, 2, 1. Tight belly, press all the way up. And release. Okay, other side. Lifting, crossing. Figure 4 here. Breathe in, and then hinge at the waist. When you feel something in that, need a little oomph feeling, we're gonna round the upper back and melt. Soften here, breathe for 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Tight belly, press on all the way up. Have your feet back. Feet are hip width distance apart. Awesome. From here, I'd like you to come on down your forearms onto the thighs. We're going for more twist. Reminding yourself that twisting the abdominal space is going to be so wonderful for our digestive juices. So let's go ahead and crunch on over. Feel that nice comfortable position. Press your feet into the earth. We're gonna go ahead and start with our right arm up. So go ahead and twist the right arm up for a high 5 to the side. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. Breathe out. Inhale and then exhale all the way up. Breathing in now and exhale, breathing out. So inhale and exhale, twist. Breathe in and release. Breathe out. In and out with the breath. Inhale and exhale. Now, do we want to try to do this a little bit faster? Finding your breath, finding how that movement works for you. So inhale, exhale. Breathe in and out. 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 Let's do one more on each side. Don't forget to breathe. Good. Come out of this pose. Tight belly, hands to the heart. Press up. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale. Now for a deeper twist, let's go ahead, take our hand. So let's take the left hand, to the outside of the the outside. Take our right hand to the outside. Oh, that's my right hand. This is your left hand. Your left hand to the outside of the right thigh. Take the other hand, press it nicely and firmly into the chair. Breathe in, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist. Oof. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Relax the shoulders. Breathe in, lift and lengthen, and twist. Good. Let's go ahead and look over the opposite shoulder. Nice little shoulder neck stretch. Smile. Breathe. And release. Let's do the other side. Okay, so now we have the right hand to the outside of the left thigh and the left hand's pressed behind you. Inhale, lift, lengthen, and exhale, twist. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Relax the shoulders. In and exhale, twist. Good. Relax the shoulders. Let's look over the right shoulder. Breathing here. And then go ahead and release. Let's take our hands on top of the thighs. This deserves a cow and cat. Inhaling to lengthen up. Stick the tailbone out and exhale, rounding the back, chin to chest. Really crunch those bellies to the back of the room. Cat pose. Inhale. Exhaling. Breathing in. Exhale, breathing out. Inhaling. Exhaling. Good. Well done. How do you feel now? Did you feel like you worked a little bit of your digestive juices? Last little bit here. In Chinese medicine, we're all about tapping the body. I usually, in some of my other practices, I'm always tapping my arms and part of the legs. But today, I'd like you to gently tap onto your belly. Okay? So just go ahead and tap onto the belly, stimulating that space that we had just been twisting. Nice and comfortably, nothing too firm, nothing too soft, just right. Everything revolves, for me in my mind, back into that like Goldilocks story. Everything just had to be perfect. So make it perfect for you, whatever's comfortable. Tapping, so get all the places in your belly, the side, the front, the middle, the top, the bottom. Notice how it feels. A little tingly, right? Stimulating the blood outside of it. Now, I'd like you to take one hand over the other and in a clockwise fashion, so it's going to look opposite to you because I'm mirroring you. I'm not mirroring you in this thing. I want you to go ahead and be in a clockwise motion where you are pushing down on the, if you're with me, you're on the down on the left side of the body and then gently on the right, okay? So you're gently helping and assisting in the digestion. In the natural way the digestion flows and out through the bowels, okay? So we wanna make sure we have nice, healthy formed bowels. So besides having lots of fiber, lots of vegetables, some yummy fruits, we're gonna make sure we drink lots of water. And then you can go ahead and do these beautiful, soothing, clockwise rotations on the belly, putting a little more emphasis on the down, on the left side of your body. Okay, we're gonna do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, everyone. We're going to take our hands to the heart to close our practice. Let's go ahead and thank ourselves for doing something wonderful for our digestion during this holiday season. And of course, practicing a little bit of yoga is so wonderful for the mind, body, and soul. Well done, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you soon. Please subscribe if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you liked it or not. And I just love to hear from you. Thanks, everyone. Namaste.